Hello everyone. I hope you're doing good and taking care of yourselves. I'm Kanika Tandon and I'm here with the video of maths for class 4. This is going to be our first class, so I hope that you all pay proper attention. So this is our book, Junior Maths of Bharti Bhavan Publications. This is the same book that we have used in our last session. This book includes 20 chapters and 5 review worksheets, which have a revision exercises of whatever you have studied yet. Before we start our first class, I would suggest you to please maintain a proper notebook or a register, whatever that suits you, for doing the work that will be given in the videos for your practice as well as for homework. So without any further delay, let's get started with chapter number 1, exercise 1A. This is the first page of the book with chapter number 1, review. This chapter has 2 exercises, exercise number 1A and exercise 1B. I'll be covering for 1A exercise in this video and exercise number 1B in my next video. As it is clear with the name review, this chapter is a revision kind of a chapter of what you have studied in class 3rd. This exercise has 13 questions in total. Half of the questions can be done in the book itself, in the space provided, and some questions will be done in the copy. So without any further delay, let's get started with question number 1. So our first question is, write the consecutive numbers that come after. And my first question to you is, what are consecutive numbers? Okay, consecutive numbers are those numbers which have a difference of 1. So in this question, we have to write the number that is coming after it. So in question number 1, 997. The next number will be 998. In order to check whether these two numbers are consecutive or not, what we'll do, we'll subtract 997 from 998. If the difference is 1, these two numbers are consecutive, and the difference is not 1, the numbers are not consecutive. Similarly, after 998, the next number will be 999. If we subtract 998 from 999 and the difference is 1, these two numbers are consecutive, and we'll carry on this way. So first question will be done like this. Similarly, 2606, the next number that will come after 2606 will be 2607, and the next number after that 2608, and the series will continue. And in a similar manner, you have to do question number 3. Coming to question number 4, write in ascending order. This is the easiest question of this whole exercise. Ascending order is an order in which we write the smaller number first, and then a greater number than that, then the greater number, and at last we write the greatest number of all. It is a set of numbers which we have to put in a correct order. So in question number 1, there are 4 numbers. One is 5674, second number 4567, third 7040, 8147, and 3268. As you can see, the smallest number out of these 5 numbers is 3268. So 3268 will be put at number 1. 4567 is the number greater than 3268. So 4567 will be written at number 2. 5674 is greater than 4567, so it will be written next. 7040 is greater than 5674 but less than 8147, that's why it will be written at number 4, and last 8147 will be written at the last, since it is the greatest number. And if it were asked that we have to write in the descending order, the greatest number will be written first, and then the smaller one, then the smaller one, and at last the number that will be the smallest. In the same way, question number A, B and C will be done, and I hope that you will be able to do it all by yourself in your books. Coming to question number 5, fill in the blanks. Question number A. In 452, the place value of 4 is, and that of 2 is, and that of 5 is. In this particular question, what we have to do is, we have to write the place value of the digits that are asked right from the number that is given. And what are place value? Place value is the value at which the number is placed. For example, the place value of 4 in 452 is 100. So, the place value of 4 is 400. 2 is placed at ones place, so it will be written 2, and that of 5 is written as tens place, that's why it will be written as 50. In 3096, the place value of 9 is at, the place at which 9 is kept is 100. So the value of 9 is 90. 3 is placed at ones, so 3 will be written as it is, and 6 is 6000. In 7654, the place value of 7 will be 7000 because it is placed at 1000th place. 5 will be 50 as it is placed in the tens place, and 6 will be 600 as it is placed in the hundredth place. Question number D is, write the numbers shown by the numerals. These are some numerals which are written in Roman form. We have to write them in the proper numbers. So first one is VI, which is 6. Another one is I4V, which is 4. The third one is XII, which is 12. Similarly, in question number E, write in Roman numerals. Now they have written the numbers, and we have to write them in the Roman form. Question number 10 is written as X, 9 is written as IX, and 8 is written as VIII. And if you still have some problem in Roman numbers, the next chapter that we'll cover is Roman numbers only. That is chapter number 2. F, the number name of 5204. We have to write this number into its name. So it is very simple that you write it by the spelling, like 5204. The way I am speaking it, you have to write it in your books, 5204. In the same way, you'll do question number G. And coming to question number H, which is 6823 in figure. Now they have given the question in name, and we have to write them in the figure. So it is easy. 6823, which will become 6823. Similarly, question number I, 8050 in figures, that will be 8050. Coming on to the next page and question of this exercise, question number 6. Make the greatest and the smallest numbers using all the digits. These are the digits given. First is 2, 7 and 9. B, 3, 0, 8. C, 4, 5, 3, 6. And D, 9, 0, 2, 1. So using these digits, we have to make one number that should be the greatest and another number that should be the smallest. I hope that you will be able to do this since it is very easy. But let me make sure that whenever you make the smallest number, let me tell you very clearly that a number does not start with digit 0. So whenever you will make the smallest number, the number should not be starting with 0. 0 should always come at the second place. So 279, the smallest number will be 279, while the greatest number will be 972. 308, the smallest number will be 308, not 038, and greatest number will be 830, that is 830. 30. Coming to C, 4536, the smallest number will be 3456, while the greatest number will be 6543. Now coming to D, 9021, the smallest number will be 1029, not 0129. 0129 becomes 129, which will become a 3-digit number. We have to make a 4-digit number because the digits are 4 in number, and the greatest number will be 9210. Now question number 7, do these sums. Question number 7 has 4 parts A, B, C, D, in which A and B are simple addition and C and D are simple subtraction, and I hope that you all know how to add and subtract. So first question is 2783 plus 4649. So 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1, which is 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, carry 1, which is 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14, 4 you will write here, and 1 will be written as carry. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. In the same way, question number B will be done. Coming to question number C, 6893 subtracted by 3254. Since 4 cannot be subtracted by 3, so we'll borrow 1 from the number on the left side of the number, so it will become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Since 9 has given 1 2 3, it will become 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Since 5 is very easy to be subtracted from 8, there is no need for us to borrow from the next number. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Here it will become 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 3 is 3. In the same way, question number D will be done. So coming to question number 8 and 9, both of these questions have 4 parts, and I would suggest you to do both of these questions in the notebook since you don't have enough space in the textbook. So these 2 questions will be done in the notebook. Coming to the first part of question number 8, 482 plus 351 plus 68. This is a simple addition of 3 numbers altogether. So what we are going to do here, 482 plus 351 and 68. When we add these 3 numbers together, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20. So we'll write 0 here, and 2 will be carry. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 will be 9. So when we'll add these 3 numbers, our answer will be 901. All the 4 parts in this question will be done in a similar way. So I hope you will be able to do these questions all by yourselves. Coming on to question number 9. In these type of questions, we are performing at least 2 operations in one question, that is addition and subtraction. So starting from question number 1, 583 plus 602 minus 315. So what are we going to do here? We'll add 583 and 602 together, which will be 583 plus 602. 3 plus 2 will be 5, 8 plus 0 will be 8, and 6 plus 5 will be 11. Now the sum of these 2 numbers will be written separately, and 315 will be subtracted from the sum of these 2 numbers, which is 1185. So 5 minus 5 will be 0, 8 minus 1 is 7, and since 3 cannot be subtracted from 1, we'll borrow 1 from the previous number and it will become 11. 11 minus 3 will be 8. So our answer will be 870. In the similar way, question number B, 943 minus 268 minus 517. In order to do it in a very simple way, what you're going to do, you'll subtract 268 from 943, and whatever the answer will come, 517 will be subtracted from that from the difference of first two numbers. And question number C and D, I feel that those will be tricky. So here is the solution of question number 9th, C and D. In C, 592 minus 681 plus 89. So since 681 cannot be subtracted from 592, so what we are going to do is 592 and 89 will be added together, because these are in plus sign. 592 plus 89 becomes 681, and now 681 will be subtracted from 681. The answer will be 0. Coming to question number D, 4786 minus 5723 plus 2324. 5723 cannot be subtracted from 4786. So 4786 and 2324 will be added all together, which becomes 7110. And from this 7110, 5723 will be subtracted, and the answer will be 1387. Coming to question number 10 and 11, these both questions are of multiplication. So getting on started with question number 10th A part, 35 into 50. Since here I don't have enough space in the book, you can do it in the copy if you want to, otherwise book is enough. So what we are going to do here, 0 will be written as it is, and 5 into 5 will be 25. We'll write 5 here and write carry 2 above 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. So here our answer will be 750. Coming to question B, 0 will be written as it is. Now 3 will be multiplied by 1, which is 3. 3 will be written here, and 3 into 6 is 18. We'll write 18 here. In the same way, question number C, D and E will be done. Now in question number E, since there are two zeros, both of the zeros will be written as it is. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. In this way we will complete question number 10. Coming on to question number 11, all the 5 parts of this question are simple double multiplication, and I am believing that you have already done this in class 3rd. So coming on to question number A, 43 multiplied by 24. 4 3s are 12, 2 will be written here, carry 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. This is the first step of the multiplication. Putting a cross below 2, that is below the first digit, and add the first digit of second step. 3 into 2 is 6, and 4 into 2 is 8. So we'll write 86 here, and then we'll add both of these. So 2 plus 0 will be 2. 7 plus 6 will be 13, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 1032. Now B, C and D, all the three parts will be done in the same way. Now I'll tell you how to do question number E, which is also same. There is no such difference. The only difference is that the first number is of 3 digits and the second number is of 2 digits. So in this question also there will be only 2 steps. So first step will be 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. This is the simple first step. Coming on to the second one, we'll put a cross cross below 6. That is the first place of writing second step. 4 2s are 10, 0, carry 1. 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16, 6, carry 1. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. We'll write 31 here and add these two. So it will become 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 will be written as it is. So our answer is 33,496. Coming on to question number 12, that is divide and check the answer. In order to check the answer of the division, there is one formula that we have to follow, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now the question is, what is a dividend? So dividend is the number that we are going to divide, that is 38, because 38 is the number that we are going to divide. Now coming to divisor. Divisor is the number by which the dividend is getting divided. That is, here we are dividing 38 by 2. So 38 is the dividend and 2 will be the divisor. Coming to the quotient. Quotient is the answer that has come when we have divided the dividend by the divisor, which is 19. If we divide 38 by 2, our answer will be 19. So 19 will be the quotient. And remainder, if there is any remainder which is remaining at the last, which is 0 in this question but 2 in this will be the remainder. And in order to check whether the answer is correct or not, we have to do 19, which will be the quotient, into divisor plus remainder, that will be 38. If this multiplication, the answer of this multiplication and addition is the same as the dividend, the answer is correct. Now let's start with question number 1. 38 in the table of 2, 3 does not come. What is the lesser number that comes? What is the lesser number that comes in table of 2 lesser than 3? Is 2 itself. So 2 ones are 2. When we will subtract, answer will come 1. Now bringing on 8, it will become 18. So 2 nines are 18. In this same manner, question number B, C and D will be done. If we are checking the answer now, coming to question part number D, 12. If we divide 75 by 12, here the dividend is 75, the divisor is 12. So 12 6 are 72 and 3 is the remainder here. So dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, that is 75. So 6 into 12 is 72. 72 plus 3 is 75, which means the answer is correct. Now coming to question number 13, which is the last question of this exercise, and it is divide. It has to be done in the same way in which we have done question number 12. So here the dividend is 168 in question number 1. The dividend is 168. The divisor is 2 because we are dividing 168 by 2. So in 2's table, 16 comes at 8th place. So 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 0. Now we'll bring 8 and it will become 8. So 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. Now if you want, you can check the answer following the same formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Coming to question number B, 4 6 are 24, the remainder is 0. Bringing on 6 down, 4 1s are 4, remainder is 2. Bringing on 3 down becomes 23, 4 5s are 20, and the remainder is 3 here. Question number C, 7 5s are 35, remainder is 0. Bringing on 4 down, now in 5's table 4 does not come, so we'll put a 0 and bring down the next number, and it will become 43. So 9 5s are 45, remainder is 0. Coming on D, 8 8s are 64, remainder is 0. Now we'll bring 4 down and we'll see that in 6's table 4 does not come, so we'll put a 0 in the quotient area here and bring 2 down, which will become 42. And since 42 does not also do not come in the 8th 8's table, so we'll write the nearest number that comes. So 8 5s are 40, remainder is 2 here. I hope you all have understood till here. With this, we have completed our exercise 1A. Now as homework, I would want you to do all the questions that I have taught in the video in any of your copy and practice these questions very thoroughly. Also, do the question number 8 and 9 in your fair copy. As you practice these questions at your home, you can check the answers from the answer sheet, which is at the back of the book, or ask any of your parents or your elder siblings or any of your other family members to check it once. If you still have any question or to ask, or you did not understand any question, please write in the comment section so that I can cover the same question in my next video. Till then, keep studying and take care of yourselves and your family members. Thank you.